Hello? Hello, everyone. Can you hear me?
Hey, Professor.
Yes.
Okay, great. I just
Yes.
communication is great today, and just do an experiment that everything is working well. I'm just trying to synchronize my tablet to my laptop and then see if everything is okay first. So please let me know what I'm writing, if you can see it, so that that way we are on the same page. Um, let me see if I can able to write here. What I'm writing.
Yes, I can see what you're writing.
Sorry.
Room.
Okay.
All right.
Can do yes. Can write. No.
Please uh, unmute your mic. So there's a back noise. Okay. Let me see now. Do you see what I'm writing? Can you read anybody, please, for me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Did you see what I'm writing? Can you, is it visible?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. I think, let me see. Let me admit. Oh, we have, looks like we have around 11 people in the class, in the Zoom section. Um, about 10. Okay, let me see. Okay, so I just want to use this opportunity as introduction opportunity. It's our first day today. Um, just want to say about the course a little bit and about myself, and I wanted also to hear from you. I usually use the first day of the class as the introduction class that we know each other well, and I wanted to know what's your background in chemistry, and also use this opportunity, like if you would like to join us a group study or group work, because from my experience, I know that a group study would be very, very helpful. It assists everyone. And since we are doing everything virtual, it's a good opportunity for us to communicate um, using Zoom or other technology. My name is Wandwasan Fikira. I'm the Chemistry 101 lecture instructor and 102 as well for the lecture and the lab courses. I'm also a fellow researcher at Morgan State University doing research work with my colleagues there in chemistry area. We are currently doing it's for now it's tough because of the pandemic, but we're doing investigating heavy metals in the concentration of heavy metals in the stream sediments in the Patapsco area. We're doing the progress with the other multiple science professors with Kaplan State University and Morgan State University as well, in combination of that. I'm also a course facilitator for the environmental science courses with oceanography, earth science, and environmental science courses. Also facilitating the lab course of 101 and 102 at the same time. A Chem 102 course is a course that's a continuation of Chem 101 course. One of the prerequisites for taking Chem 102 is you may have to take Chem 101. We use the same textbook or same standards that we used in 101. The current lecture textbook we use is from Flatworld textbook. If you already purchased the access code last semester, I'm pretty much sure that the access code is also used for this semester. I do not think that you may have to purchase the access code if you taken the Chem 101 last semester. In most of the time, they work for consecutive semesters. However, if you have taken Chem 101 in the previous semesters, you have two options to purchase the access code. Okay, let me admit this here. You may have to purchase the access code. We need to purchase the access code from the bookstore, actually. If you have the financial aid, the bookstore is the best way to purchase the access code. However, if you do not have the financial aid opportunities, you can also purchase the access code directly from the publishers. I would suggest do not buy the access code from any other resources due to various reasons. Sometimes the access codes are not genuine, even if you get cheaper from the other places. Don't try to buy from other sources. Use the bookstore or use the publishers, flat-world publishers. If you do not have the link of the publishers at the end of the class, I'll be glad to send you the link of the publishers. That would be very, very helpful. The access code is not only for the PowerPoint presentation, you also have to do the required assignments and quizzes at the same time. So it's like a package. You don't need to purchase the uh, textbook, basically, the actual textbooks. That's not needed because on the access code, you can have the package. You get the ebook, you get the PowerPoint, you get tutoring help. You will have a chance. You'll get an access to do the assignment and the homework. So everything comes together. So it's mandatory that we all need to purchase the access code from the publisher or from the bookstore, depending on which is convenient for you. So, like I said, the Chem 101, I mean, Chem 102 is a transferable course that is transferable for many other programs and disciplines. Um, uh, for some medical term, for nursing, for environmental science, uh, for engineering, for a lot of fields. So it's a good opportunity for you to take one or two. It's a 4 credit course, just like 101. As a 4 credit course, we have a lecture and we have a lab courses. So make sure that you registered for both, for the lecture and the lab. The lecture component will cover 70% of your section, your grade, and the lab component will cover 30%. Regarding with the lab book is only purchased from the bookstore, unfortunately, because we have a custom made lab book. It's not available in any other sources. Of course, um, um, the original publisher of the book is Pearson, but we customized it due to various reasons. We customized it to make it much cheaper. We're not using all of the labs, so it's unnecessary to pay like $200, $300. So by customizing it, we have we reduce the price for you. So please contact the college, the BCCC bookstore. The only way, because every class at this point is virtual, you have to send an email.
Let's talk about this. What's going on? I need to know what's going on.
I don't know what's going on. You tell me.
Please, I'm going to mute you. So unmute your mic, okay? So you need to purchase from the bookstore actually regarding with the lab book. You cannot find it in any other places. So this is our first day. As a first day, I would like to hear from you most of the time. We're not going to start the lecture, especially the first part would be chapter 8. We will start with chapter 8. I believe it's chemical bonding. The chapter 8 is posted on the module section. You have to, for next week class, you have to download the chapter 8 section. Download to your computer, and it's on the module part. We can start chapter 8 next week, not today. Today is, I mostly would like to hear from you. What's your background in Chem 102 or in chemistry in general? Have you taken chemistry before? Or if you've taken chemistry 101, or if you also, what's your major? Where do you like to heading? Whether if you like to create a group study, that's very important. From my experience, I know that a group study will be very, very helpful. all the classes, I always say the classes of a chemistry class is heterogeneous class. I know most of you know what heterogeneous means. It's a diversity. It's a different level of understanding that some of us had advanced chemistry, some of had never had chemistry before. Nothing is wrong with that. So we have a different level of understanding of chemistry. It's fine. However, it's good to create a group study so that the group study, a group of 4, a group of 5, that will help you to understand subject matter and to be successful in the course. So this is a good opportunity for us to introduce each other about your background, whether you'll be interested in group study and what's your major, and working together. And we're going to discuss and we're going to know each other better. So we're not going to be starting chapter 8. It's just an introduction. And we just want to let you know that there is also a mandatory that we have to attend the class, and at the end of the class, I will take the attendance. Um, so so at the end of the class, when the class is over, I'll take the attendance. And if you cannot have an opportunity to talk on the mic, say, yes, I'm here, send me a text message. Send me a text message in the chat. Then I know that you are in the class, so I can able to mark. I don't want to give you absent and reducing point on that. I know sometimes the connection might not be friendly. It's on both end, on my end as well. Regarding with the exams, it's pretty much like when there is exam, I'll give you a review guideline that you can well prepared on the exams. I'll tell you the day and the date when we take the exams. You also have to download a lockdown browser. Every exams in BCCC as a regulation have to be done as a lockdown browser. You have to download a lockdown browser. If you do not know how to download a lockdown browser, I will send you the link when we get there. Mostly from my experience, the best way is that I would like for you I would like for you to use excuse me, I would like for you to use Google Chrome and Mozilla. They are the best. They are the best way, and they are very friendly to download the lockdown browser. Somehow, the other browsers do not work well. So the exams have to be done with a lockdown browser. So if you maybe like I'm pretty much sure that in other sections you also have taken the you know how to do the lockdown browser. If not, when we get there, I'll send you the link to download the lockdown browser. This is for chapter-based exam, midterm exams, and at the same time for the final exams. Okay. There is also back noise. I think I have to mute you. Okay, so can you guys hear me very well? I just want to know that I'm in communication with you.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. So,
Yes.
thank you, Johnny. So what we can do is now I will give everybody 3 to 5 minutes that you can talk about yourself, about your background in chemistry, what's your major, why you take this course, whether you are interested in doing a group study. We can talk general portion, and if you are interested in group study, I would strongly suggest that put your name, your information on a chat room, and then someone maybe can take a leadership position, someone can may take the names and the email, and then send to everybody. That way we can this is a good time for us to create a group study, so we can use this opportunity, today's class, for creating a group study, and at the same time we can use this opportunity just to introduce each other and to tell me or to tell the entire class about your experience. So I need to hear from everyone. So who would like to start first? You can take 3 to 5 minutes. If you feel free. Just the topics, like I say, is your background in chemistry, your major, and then whether you're interested in group study and you want to leave your number. Um, general perspective. Okay. So can I have the first person who would like to take the floor for the class? When you have taken chemistry, that's also important to know.
I can go.
Okay, may I know who's this?
My name's Karan Pearson.
Karen. Okay, Karen Pearson, I believe.
Mhm.
Okay,
So,
Karen, let's go ahead.
One last semester. I'm taking these classes to be in a medical field. I don't know what I want to be exactly, but I know I want to be in the health field. So I'm just trying to get my basic studies so I'll have a good idea of what I want to be when I'm done. I should be done my I should get my degree by this semester at the end of the semester. So yeah, and I'm interested in group studying. Um, I think that's it, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you very much, Karen. Karen, in the meantime, if you go to the chat room, what you have to do is maybe like you can leave your name and your phone number or your email address, whichever way is convenient for you. In that way, you guys can able to communicate each other. I see that we have 19 people in the class right now.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Karen. I would like to go to next.
I'll go.
Okay, Johnny.
My name is John A. My major is biology. My goal career is veterinarian. I think I'll be graduating or get my degree. I think next semester. My last semester is next semester. And what else you say? Oh yeah, I'm thinking about group study. I would like to do group study. And what was the next thing you said us playing about?
Yes, yes, Johnny. Yes, this is what we need. Johnny, I know that you've taken chemistry 101, right? If I don't make a mistake.
Yeah, I had it with you. Yeah, lecture 101.
Lower lecture 101. Yeah, it's not last semester. It was in the previous semester, I believe.
Yeah, it was when we got on lockdown, like just when we got on lockdown, I had it.
Right, right. Okay, thank you. Thank you for meeting you again. So good to hear that you're about to graduate. It's a progress.
Yep.
Yes, it's a progress. That's nice. So leave your name and your communication number so that someone can reach you, so you guys can create a group study. I'm very glad to hear about your success. That's wonderful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, who would like to go to next?
I can go next.
Okay, I believe that's Tracy Davis.
Dracy, yeah, Dracy.
Okay, Tracy. Tracy, go ahead.
My major is general science. I don't know. I don't know what I really want to be. I think I want to go into physical therapy or something like that. My last time taking chemistry was 101, which was last semester, and I'm interested in group studies. I guess I don't, know,
All right.
but that's all I got.
Okay, thank you, Davis. Yeah, where do you like to study physical therapy, here or in other institutions?
I'm still figuring that out.
I'm sorry?
I'm still figuring that out. I don't even know if that's
okay.
what I want to do.
Okay. All right, good to know. So yeah, like I say, you can also leave your name and your information in the chat so that people can able to communicate you, and good to hear from you, Davis, Tracy Davis. May I have a next person?
I'll go next.
That is Bright, I believe. Bright?
How you doing, Professor?
Yeah.
How are you, Bright?
I'm good.
Okay.
Nice to see you again.
Good to see you again. Yeah, we're communicating on the email, right? Regarding with certain references. I don't know if I missed any of your emails because of the school break. I don't know if I get back to you.
No, it's all right.
No? Okay. All right. Okay.
So this is my fourth semester at BCCC. I graduate in the fall. I'm going to be going to Towson University, and this is I want to be a pediatrician. So
Good. Good. Brett, what's your major again? What do you like to study?
right now I'm getting my degree in science, the science transfer degree.
Transfer degree. Okay. Okay. From BCCC, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you're not figuring out what areas that you're going to be focused at Towson yet, or do you have?
More or less biology.
Okay, wonderful. Okay. Okay, good to hear from you, Brett. Thank you very much. If you're interested in group study, also you can able to leave your contact information so that people can join you.
Okay, cool. And I didn't forget about the coffee I owe you.
Okay, all right. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. I'm still a coffee lover. We will meet someday when this pandemic going down. Thank you for that. Okay, who would like to go next?
I'll go next.
Oh shit.
That is
Victoria.
Victoria. Okay, Victoria, you've taken chemistry last semester, am I right?
Yeah, I was in your class. I took notes about where we stopped in class.
Yes. You are our note taker in the class. It was in Brett and you were in the same section, I believe, 1148. Is that right?
Oh no.
No?
I was in your lecture. Brett was in your lab.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, I remember you, Victoria. Yes, go ahead, please.
Hello everyone. My name is Victoria Akingbang. I'm a science major, arts and science. I'm a science concentration transfer. This is my second year at BCCC. After BCCC, I plan on going to a four-year college. I don't know which one yet. Okay. But after that, I plan on going to med school to study neurosurgery and further my career to become a neurosurgeon.
Wow. That's nice. That's nice, Victoria. So like Mountain Everest, but you can do it.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Okay, good to hear. Whether if you're interested in group study, in case if you want to use this opportunity, you're also welcome to do that. Always you guys can use chat to provide your information. And I would like if someone take a leadership that maybe get all the phone numbers or the email address, collect and send to everybody. And that way you can pick whichever day is convenient for you. I mean, we have like 19 or 20 participants right now, including me, that we cannot have 20 people in group study. Maybe like you can have 4 or 5 people. The less the people that you have, it's very effective. So maybe someone can take notes and send email to everyone, and then you can pick whichever day in the week is convenient for you. So this is the day that we can able to introduce each other and create a group work together. So thank you very much, Victoria. And who would like to go to the next?
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yeah.
I can go.
Bridge Cook.
It's Bridget.
Okay, Bridget. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, Bridget, go ahead. Well, go ahead, please.
My name is Bridget. I took chemistry 101 last year. I said last semester. I'm in I'm getting my general science degree. I have my degree at the end of next semester. And I wanted to be a science teacher, but I really think I want to be a math teacher now, but I'm still finishing my science degree since I'm almost finished.
Okay. Okay, Bridget, you said that you want to be a science teacher, but now you change it to a math teacher?
Yeah.
So you want to be a teacher in general?
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. It's okay. Well, welcome to the club. But let me tell you something. Being a teacher, you'll not be rich. I have to be honest with you. I mean, financially, you'll not be rich, but you can live, you can survive. You don't have to be rich to live. But,
Right. It's not always about the money.
good. Okay. Okay, Bridget. I get your point. Wonderful. Okay. You know, in life, I think one of the things that you be passionate or you'll get a peace of mind is something that you can work or you can do what you like. I mean, or some things that you're interested in, that passionate to you, and if you do that, you get a peace of mind. I believe sometimes you make. I have friends who really makes twice or three times that I'm making, but
Right.
you know, I see that their life is not peaceful. There's no security. So
Right.
money doesn't bring that. So I've seen from my experience. So you know, do what you like in your life.
Right.
That makes really happy. That makes really happy life. So good, Bridget, and thank you very much. Who like to go to next?
I guess I'll go next.
Uh,
Oh my gosh.
I would like to know the name. I think Brittany.
Yes.
Okay, Brittany. Okay, go ahead,
Hi,
Brittany.
hi everybody. My name is Brittany. I took chemistry 1 during the summer. I wanted to take chemistry 2 right afterwards, but I didn't the availability time, so it didn't work with my schedule. Um, what other questions?
Like you know, what's your major? Where do you like to go?
Okay. I actually already received my bachelor's from Fordham University in New York. I'm at BCCC right now, trying to complete prerequisites for physical therapy school, which I already got accepted. So this is what my last class that I have to take, and I'll be starting right after this is over in May.
Okay, great, great. Which universities that you'll be accepted in physical therapy?
Thomas Jefferson University.
Where?
Thomas Jefferson.
Where is it at?
It's in Philly.
Oh, okay, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well,
Yep.
great, great, great. Okay, okay, Brittany, and physical therapy. Okay, so we will have, that's good, and I'm glad that here this is the last semester.
Yes.
Also, when, you know, sometimes like you can, if you interested in group study, you can also send your text or your contact information to the chat as well.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Brittany.
Thank you.
Who would like to go to next? You're welcome.
I'll go.
Lacan Williams, right?
Yes.
Okay, I think I'm familiar with this name.
Yes, I took you like in the beginning. I took 101 in lab like soon as COVID hit.
But not online. We took.
No, on
Yeah,
campus.
yeah, I remember. I remember. So you took 101 when we had a class, a face-to-face class, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Go ahead, please. Yeah.
My major is engineering. I don't know what I want to do with it yet. I know I don't want to do mechanical or electrical, so I'm narrowing down what I don't like and do like. At the BCCC, I want to go to Morgan State. I'll be graduating BCCC like next fall,
Okay.
and I am interested in the study group.
Okay. 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 Thank you very much, Lakan. Thank you. Okay. Um, thank you. Okay. Who'd like to go to next?
I can go.
Okay, I believe that's Colin Morse.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, Colin, please.
Hi, my name's Colleen. I took Chem 1 at Howard Community College last semester. And so I graduated my undergrad from Towson in 2010. And like Brittany, I'm taking this as a prereq for a DPT program. So I'm going to Maryland's program starting in June. Currently, I'm teaching high school science, anatomy and physiology, and freshman biology. And before that, I taught for 3 years in Baltimore, at a middle school up in northeast Baltimore.
Okay, okay, wow. Okay, so your background is a teaching background, right?
Yes.
Great. Now I don't know if I missed that. What's your major now? That you've taken this as a prerequisite, and you said that your major is like Brittany?
I don't really have a major.
Okay.
When I was at Towson, I graduated with a degree in psychology.
Okay. Okay, wonderful. Okay, it's good to know. Yeah. I know the experience of we have studied in high school. It's tough sometimes, but it's a great experience. It's a very, very great experience. So yeah. So good to know. So if you're interested in group study, that be also an opportunity today that you guys can leave, Colin. If you like to do that, you can leave your information. But in the meantime, I would ask someone maybe if you can take a note that maybe like you can able to take all the email address and then send to each other so that you guys can able to pick which day is convenient for you. Thank you, Colin, and for the introduction. Who would like to go next?
I'll go.
I believe Dana Williams.
Dana.
Okay, Dana, please. Dana, go ahead.
Hello, my name is Dana Williams, and I'm doing the Arts and Science transfer to Fordham College. My major is biology. I want to be a veterinarian once I graduate.
Have you taken chemistry before?
Yeah, chemistry 101.
Okay, all right. Okay, go ahead, Dana.
I was going to say I'm interested in group study.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you very much, Dana. Okay, so which universities that you'd like to transfer, just in case?
Well, University of Maryland, Baltimore County.
Dana, can you hear me? I didn't hear you.
University of Maryland, Baltimore County.
Oh, okay, UMBC. Okay, I got you. Okay, all right. Thank you. All right, who would like to go to next?
All right, I'll go.
Boyo?
Mombi? Yes, sir.
Okay.
Morning, everybody. My name is Mombi Edith Boyo. So my major is pharmacy. I'm taking prerequisite into pharmacy. I'd love to transfer into University of Maryland when I'm done. I took chemistry with you during the spring last year. I'm grateful to be taking Chem. I'm sorry with the noise. Chem 102. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Boyo. Thank you very much. Okay, I know that this name is very familiar. I took you to chemistry, maybe I think that's last semester. Thank you for the introduction. We'll go to the next one.
I'll go next.
Okay, Abdul Jafar, I believe.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Abdul Ghaffar. Good morning, everyone. My name is Abdul Ghaffar Akande. I major in engineering transfer, and I'm planning on going to Morgan State University. This is going to be my last semester. I've been back out of school, and I just want to complete my degree because I took Professor Fikiri for 101 as well, and this is part of my last time classes I'm taking right now, and I would definitely be interested in the group study as well.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you, Abdul Jafar. Thank you. Great introduction. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. Would like to go to next?
Excuse me, I can go.
Okay. I believe Lewis.
Yes, Kyle. My name is Kyle Lewis.
Okay.
My degree is engineering transfer as well, and I also plan on going to Morgan State University. This is my second semester here at BCCC. I took chemistry 101 last semester.
Okay. Wonderful. Okay, thank you very much, Luis. Luis, are you interested in group study in case or?
I think I would be.
Okay, all right. Okay, take your time, think about it. I mean, it's not like mandatory, but this is an opportunity for you to expand your knowledge, to share your knowledge, to learn from the others, and to share what you have. It's like a teamwork thing. So just this is I have to say this because this is the only time that we can introduce each other. We will have this opportunity next time. Thank you very much, Luis. Who would like to go next? I
I'll
believe,
go.
okay, Sanai,
Yes,
Sanai Matthew,
Matthews.
Matthews. Okay, okay, please go ahead.
Um, I took chemistry 101 last semester. I majored in general science, and I don't really know what I want to do. I know I want to do something with kids, though. So I'm still trying to figure it out. And that's all.
Okay, thank you, Sanai, and thank you very much. Again, just let you know if you're interested in group studies, send a chat message. Uh, Good to hear. Okay, who would like to go next?
I can go.
Okay. This is
Excuse me, Professor. This is Roger,
Roger.
not Fakir in a screen. Maybe you want to we will like to correct it after class.
I did a correction last semester, but by default, I don't know this name will comes out, and
I don't know.
You steal my name. I don't know why.
Yeah. So for everybody, I'm Roger Pau, and my major is biotechnology. I had a good semester with Professor Fakire last semester in Kim 101. I enjoyed this class with a good grade. I think it will be the same thing. And I would like to, I'm very inclined for technology, and I want to be a lab tech after 4 years college. But in time of uncertainty like this, I don't know whether we will continue online. If it's online, I would like to go to University of Maryland. If it's face to face, I want to get one opportunity of bridge of Thousand University to pursue for my degree.
Bridge program,
Yeah. That's all.
Okay. Thank you, Roger. Thank you. Yeah. Roger being getting a good grade, A or B, is always on your hand, not on me. I will help. I will definitely help work with you, but the most part of it is you guys determine what grades that you achieve. I will commit and I will deliver everything what I have. But I know you're one of the hard worker and a great student in last semester, and you earned what you deserve, which you have to continue in that way. It's good to hear from you, Roger. But as far as concerned with the name, somehow we tried to correct. It might be from your end. Maybe you have to go to settings, and a setting like you have to go to edit and then change Fikira to your name. Somehow that work. And I don't know. I tried one time. We had issues with this, but it didn't work. But other than that, I mean, if it doesn't work, I'm not the IT people. If there is any IT here, IT gig, how we can able to change names on Zoom, please give us an advice. We have to learn from each other. Everybody is an expert for something. So Roger has this issue. He wants to put his name. He took my class and he put just to make a category. He put Fikira, and that name still is there. I see it today as well. So maybe if someone can help with that, that would be appreciated. I am sure Roger will also like have his name on the class, not my name. So please let us know how he has to help, how he has to change his name he has to put his real name, Roger Power, I believe, right? Last name, Roger. Okay, it's good to hear from you. So we have to go to regarding with one thing about the online class. Yes, you're right. You like to be a lab tech, and you like to work with the labs, and with the online session, it's a challenge. I want to be honest with you. I'm a chemistry major, and I would like to uh, smell and taste, see. I like hand-on experiments. A hand-on experiment makes chemistry as chemistry. Sometimes, teaching chemistry lab online is a challenge. Is a big challenge. So, but at least we have to do the pre-lab questions and the selected post-lab question. We have to cover the theoretical aspects. But a real lab or actual lab has to be done in face-to-face interaction, hands-on experiment. Unfortunately, we didn't do this last semester, and we may not do this semester, but we will do the best we can to learn and to gain what we have to gain in K102. Okay, so good to know, Roger. And who likes to go to next? Did I miss anybody? Is everybody introducing yourself? I see there are 19 students in the class. I have Abdul Jafar, Braid, Prijay, Brittany, Karen, Pearson, Colin, Dana.
Hey, Professor, somebody introduce themselves in the chat.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear, I didn't see.
Somebody introduce themselves in the chat.
Okay. Finney Harris, my major is, okay, Finney, yes. General science. However, after I receive my degree, I would like to become a cosmetologist. I'm also okay with the group study. Okay, great, Finney. Great to know. If you have issues of speaking on mic, or if your mic doesn't work, you can also use this opportunity to introduce yourself on the chat. That's wonderful. Please, do we have someone here to? Okay, I understand, Vinny. I just saw your message. That if someone takes notes, that would be also helpful, so that we can send email or contact information to everybody. Okay, I got from Vinny and Johnny, Lewis, Lacan Williams. I didn't hear from Pelumi Afolagan. Pelumi, I didn't hear from you. I don't know if I made a mistake. Pelumi, are you there? Would you like to share your experience? Would you like to introduce yourself for the entire class? Pelumi? Are you there, Pelumi? At the end of the class, it's mandatory that I also have to take attendance, as you know. Okay, so I don't think Pelumi is in the class, or like if you have issues with the mic, you can just what Fini did, you can send a text message. That would be very helpful as well. Okay, so what we can do is, this is an introduction. I heard from everybody. It's wonderful. So I use this opportunity, the first day of the class, as an introduction. So the next week we meet at the same time, Tuesday. I think we have two times in a week, right? Tuesday and Thursday, from 11 to 12:15. So we're going to meet next week. We're going to start chapter 8. What you have to do is you will download the chapter 8 PowerPoint from the module section. We start with the chapter 8 next week. Those of you who took Chemistry 101, I noticed that most of you are my students and took 101 last semester. I'm not I don't think you have to purchase a new access code, which you have to save a lot of money. So you can use that. But in any case, if there is an issue with the access code, I have an associate from the Flatword publisher. Her name is Erin. She was very helpful last semester. She is also with us. I'm going to send her, I'm going to send to the entire class as soon as this class is over. I'm going to send her email address, and then any questions that you have regarding with the access code, whether you have to purchase a new one or not, or any other issue, should be available to her. Send her email and copy to me. Copy to me. That way we are in the loop. As soon as the class over, I'll send her her email, and I'll send you the link for those of you who didn't have the access code. You can also purchase from the bookstore, I mean, from the publisher. However, if you have a financial aid, you don't need to go to the publishers. You can use your financial aid money. You can purchase from the publisher. I mean, from the bookstore, sorry. Remember that everything is virtual these days. Don't try to call them. There is nobody in the campus, so that they will not pick your phone. So it's better to send them email, and that way you can get the communication with them. So that's all I would say today, but I would have to take the attendance. In the attendance, please, when I call your name, say yes. That way I know I don't want to make you absent, but if you cannot say yes, please text me a message right away so that I know that you are here. Like Fini, for example, cannot able to talk today, so she sent a message. Any question that you have? I heard someone has a question.
Yeah, Professor, real quick. So
Yes, great, yeah.
you're saying we do need the access code, correct?
I'm not because you guys took last semester breaks.
Right.
So I don't.
I bought it last semester. I'm just asking for somebody else.
Yeah, not for you, not for you. So that's why I want you to use this access code that you had from last semester. In any case, if it doesn't work to do your assignments or your quizzes or to get tutoring help, I'll send you another, as soon as this class over, I'll send you another uh, email of Erin, which is an associate of and a representative of Flatword. So she will assist you on that. So don't right now. I don't want you to spend your money since you took the course last semester. In my opinion, this access code is used for consecutive semester. Consecutive means you took the last semester, and in the fall 2020, now spring 2021, which is consecutive semester, it's supposed to work.
Right.
So I'll send you the email and ask her that I have this access code. Do I need to purchase or not? So she will have a direct response for that.
So I think you I don't think it's a miscommunication. So what if somebody took your class last semester and they did not need an access code? Do they have to purchase one this semester?
Yeah. It's like it's in your case of scenario. For example, you took last semester, right? Yeah.
No, not for me. I'm asking for somebody else.
Say it one more time. Say the question one more time.
I'm not asking for me. I'm asking for somebody else.
Yeah, I know. What was the question? Before
if they took your class last semester and they did not need an access code, do they need an access code for this semester?
Of course, yes, Brett, yes.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes, Luis, I believe.
Can you say what you said again? Because I purchased the access code last semester, so will I have to buy it again this semester?
Yeah, I don't think you have to buy. I don't think you have to buy. But however, to be certain, I will send you the link. I'll send you the email of our associates who is a direct representative of the Flatword rep for us. So in my opinion, when we had a deal with them, that they said this access code is helping is good for 2 semesters. So I would, as soon as this class is over, I'll send you email on the announcement section. So look on the announcement section and send her email to get a confirmation. To get a confirmation. Does that make sense, Luis?
Yeah, it does. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Any other question for today? So what I'm going to do, please, like I say, this is a good opportunity to create a group study. I'm assuming that someone is taking the notes and someone take a leadership position and send email to everyone. So that way you can pick whichever day is convenient to make a group study. So like we have 20 people, we have 19 people here. So maybe like you can divide into 2 or 3 or 4 groups, like four people in a group. So which would be a good way, or 5. I mean, depending on what is your availability. I mean, it's not. I'm not saying that's mandatory, but it's a good. It's very helpful. I know from my experience, it's very helpful for your for the success of this course. I'm going to take the attendance. Please say yes. This is going to be mandatory that at the end of the class, I'll take the attendance. Now, if you cannot able to talk, simply send me a text message so that I can able to see that you are here. Just give me a second. Things are a little bit changing here. They used to have the attendance here. Okay, Pelumi, Afolagon, Polumi, Abdul Jafar, Akande. Okay, Pelumi, you said you are here? Okay, Abdul Jafar?
Yes.
Okay, Victoria? Victoria?
Victoria is here.
Okay, thank you. Say yes. Okay, Brittany? Brittany, Valentine. Okay, Zachary, Barbsdale, Zachary? Zachary? Okay, I didn't hear anything. Boyo? Boyo?
Present.
Thank you. Bridget?
Here.
Thank you. Tracy Davis?
Here.
Bright?
Yeah, I'm here, Professor.
Okay, thank you. Finny? Finny is here, but she cannot also talk. Nathaniel? Isaac? Nathaniel? Lewis?
Yes.
Sanai? Matthew? Sanai?
Yeah.
Matthew?
Oh, I don't know who that is, but I'm here.
Okay, Sanai. Jason Morales? Jason Morales? Okay, I didn't get any text either from you, Jason. Colin Morse, Colin?
Here.
Okay, thank you. Ifoma, Jumbo, Ifoma. Roger, Paul. Roger? And Roger, you are here. Are you there? Roger, Paul?
Yes, Professor.
Okay. Jillian, Panika, Ancio, Jillian. Karen Pearson?
I'm here.
Karen Pearson?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, thank you. Zikia, ready? Zikia? Hayat, Soma, Hayat? Alicia Stewart? Johnny? Johnny is here. Johnny?
Yes.
Thank you. Dana Williams?
Here.
Lacan Williams?
Here.
Okay. Just for curiosity, are you guys related or is this by chance?
Who?
Dana Williams and Lacan Williams. You have?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. Kaylis Young. Kaylis Young. Okay. All right. Did I miss anybody? I'm making absent Zakari, Nathaniel, Jason, Gillian, Zikia, Hayat, Alicia Stewart, and Kelly's Young. All of you are present.
I just texted Zakia. She said that she tried to join, but it didn't let her in.
Who's that?
I just texted Zakia and she said she tried to join, but it did not let her in.
You mean Zakia, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thanks for letting me know. Okay, I'll see all of you guys next week, Tuesday at the same time. I wish everybody a nice weekend, and I'll see you all next week. And please download chapter 8, the PowerPoint chapter 8 on the module section. We start chapter 8 next week.
All right, Professor. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and have a nice week, everybody.
Thank you, Professor.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.